Weight loss tips and advice. Losing weight is a journey that requires consistency, patience, and commitment. Below are some scientifically backed tips and advice that can help you on this journey. Before starting, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more future updates. So, let's start. Create a calorie deficit. To lose weight, you need to consume fewer calories than your body uses. This can be achieved by either eating less, moving more, or ideally a combination of both. Eat a balanced diet. Prioritize whole, unprocessed foods like fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and whole grains. Limit your intake of processed foods, sugary snacks, and beverages. Eat a variety of foods. No single food contains all the nutrients you need. Try to include a variety of foods from each food group in your meals: fruits, vegetables, grains, proteins, and dairy. Whole foods, including whole grains, lean proteins, fruits, vegetables, and legumes, are generally healthier than processed foods. They are packed with essential nutrients and have fewer added sugars, unhealthy fats, and sodium. Healthy fats, such as those found in avocados, nuts, seeds, and fish, are an essential part of a balanced diet. Avoid trans fats and limit saturated fats. Portion control. Even healthy foods can lead to weight gain if you eat them in large amounts. Try to be mindful of portion sizes. Regular exercise. Engage in regular physical activity. The CDC recommends at least 150 minutes of moderate intensity or 75 minutes of vigorous intensity aerobic activity per week, along with muscle strengthening activities on 2 or more days a week. Drink plenty of water. Drinking water can help with weight loss by keeping you hydrated and helping you feel full. Eat slowly. It takes a while for your brain to recognize that you've had enough to eat. Slowing down your eating can give your brain time to catch up and help you eat less. Sleep well. Lack of sleep can interfere with your body's hunger hormones and could lead to increased appetite and weight gain. Set realistic goals. Rapid weight loss is usually not sustainable. Aim for losing 1 to 2 pounds per week, which is considered healthy and achievable. Keep a food diary. Keeping track of what you eat can help you identify patterns in areas where you can make changes. Get support. Consider seeking help from a registered dietitian or a support group. They can provide guidance and encouragement along your weight loss journey. Remember, what works for one person might not work for another. It's important to find a healthy eating and exercise plan that fits your lifestyle and preferences. If you have any health conditions, please consult with a doctor or a dietitian before starting a new diet or exercise routine. This is it for today's video. What do you think of our video? Feel free to share your thoughts in the comment section below. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more future updates. Thanks for watching.